Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now it's time to mix, bake, and finish off this dish with that signature Cajun heat and cheesy pull. Baking to golden perfection, finishing touches. Baking your Cajun mac and cheese brings all the flavors together and creates a beautiful golden crust. This final step enhances the texture and provides a satisfying contrast to the creamy interior. Prepare your dish for baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Transfer the mixture to a greased baking dish. Spread it evenly. For an extra layer of texture and a superb crunch, consider adding a topping, buttery breadcrumbs. Mix panko breadcrumbs with melted butter and sprinkle them generously over the top of the mac and cheese. This creates a wonderfully crispy crust. Additional cheese. A final layer of shredded cheese, perhaps more smoked Gouda or sharp cheddar, will melt into a beautiful golden brown topping. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. If you are using breadcrumbs, keep an eye on them to prevent burning. Let the mac and cheese rest for a few minutes after taking it out of the oven. This allows the sauce to set slightly, making it easier to serve. Variations and customizations, making it your own. One of the best things about cooking is the freedom to make a dish uniquely yours. While our traditional Cajun mac and cheese recipe is fantastic, don't hesitate to experiment. Adjusting ingredients lets you match it to your exact taste, whether you like more spice, prefer a plant-based version, or want to explore new serving ideas. Heat levels, from mild to fiery. Cajun food is known for its kick, but not everyone enjoys the same level of heat. Luckily, you can easily control the spice in your mac and cheese. Here are a few ways to adjust the heat to your liking. Cayenne pepper control. This is your primary lever. For a milder dish, use less cayenne pepper than the recipe calls for. If you love a fiery punch, feel free to increase it. Fresh jalapenos. For a fresh, vibrant heat, try adding finely diced fresh jalapenos to your holy trinity as it sautés. Remove the seeds and membranes for less heat, or leave them in for more intensity. Dashes of hot sauce. A quick way to boost the warmth is to stir in a dash or two of your favorite Louisiana-style hot sauce, like Tabasco or Crystal, right into the cheese sauce. You can also offer it on the side for individual servings. Remember, you can always add more spice, but it's hard to take it away. Start small and then increase it until it's just right. Vegetarian and vegan adaptations. Cajun mac and cheese is a hearty dish that can easily become vegetarian or vegan. It tastes just as good without meat, letting the cheesy, spicy flavors shine. For a vegetarian version, simply omit any meat proteins like sausage, chicken, or crawfish. The base recipe is already rich and satisfying on its own. Creating a vegan version requires a few simple substitutions. Plant-based cheeses. Supermarkets now offer a wide range of vegan cheese shreds and blocks that melt well. Look for varieties designed for melting, often labeled as shreds or blocks. A blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack-style vegan cheeses works well. Plant-based milk. Swap dairy milk for unsweetened plant-based milk like almond, soy, or oat milk. Oat milk often provides a creamier texture. Vegan butter. Use a good quality vegan butter substitute in place of dairy butter for the roux. These alternatives perform just like traditional butter and sauces. With these changes, you can enjoy a comforting bowl of Cajun mac and cheese that fits your dietary needs. Serving suggestions and pairings. Cajun mac and cheese is a robust dish, and finding the right accompaniments can make the meal even better. Think about sides that balance its richness and spicy notes. Consider serving your mac and cheese with these complementary dishes. Crisp green salad. A fresh mixed green salad with a light vinaigrette offers a refreshing contrast to the creamy pasta. Its acidity cuts through the richness, cleansing the palate. Steamed green beans or asparagus. These simple, Lightly seasoned vegetables provide a touch of freshness and a different texture. Cornbread. A classic Southern pairing, cornbread is perfect for soaking up any extra sauce. Its slightly sweet, crumbly texture complements the savory mac and cheese. Coleslaw. A tangy, crunchy coleslaw adds another layer of texture and a cool counterpoint to the heat. For beverages, choose options that won't compete with the bold flavors. Some great pairings include light beer. A crisp lager or a pale ale can refresh the palate and stand up to the spice without overwhelming it. Iced tea. Sweet or unsweetened iced tea is a simple, classic Southern drink that always works well with rich meals. Lemonade. The tartness of lemonade offers a zesty contrast and cleanses the palate, especially if your mac and cheese is notably spicy. Cajun Mac and Cheese proves that comfort food can be exciting. It takes a beloved classic and infuses it with bold, zesty flavors. This dish offers a rich and creamy experience with an undeniable kick. We have highlighted its versatility, showing how it adapts to different tastes. Consider making this flavorful creation your own and experiencing how it brings a new spin to your table. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.